Hi there, Wayne Hedlund here with tlsites.com. In this short video tutorial, I'm just going to explain how to easily and quickly upload a video to your YouTube channel so that you can either host it on your channel or you can grab that link and even embed it into your website or a particular page on your website. Okay, so in this video, we're going to just talk about a few best practices to do this effectively. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and go to your YouTube channel. When you log into your YouTube channel, you might actually want to click on the icon in the top corner, whether it's your picture or your initials, and you can actually select your channel if you want. And when you do, you'll come to this page. It'll show some of the videos that you've already uploaded, and we're kind of ready to go ahead and upload a new video. So I'm going to click the Create button and select Upload Videos. I'm going to select a file. In this particular case, I'm just going to my desktop and finding a file that I already had on my desktop or in some other folder. So I'm going to go ahead and double click to open that. And while that video is loading, I'm going to go ahead and make some changes. So it's actually processing right now. And I'm going to, first of all, what do I want the title of this to be? So how to upload YouTube videos, right? How do you upload YouTube videos? And I'll just leave that title there. We could put a description. Usually it's wise to put a description. So in this video, we will share key steps for uploading and then what you can use is sometimes you use the @ or the @ sign, and then you can start typing. So sometimes if there's other channels out there that you want to reference, you can go ahead and start typing after the @ sign, that channel, and I could say @YouTube right there, okay? Theoretically, I could also say, check out all my videos and then I can go ahead and pull in my channel, which is @TLSites. So let's see how that works. @TLSites, there it is right there, @TLSites. And so it just puts a link to that YouTube channel, and kind of nice. The next thing that you might consider is if you want to have chapters in your YouTube video. That is, maybe you want the first part of the video to show that it's an introduction, and then maybe there's 3 points that you're trying to make. Point 1, point 2, point 3. Point 1 being, how to upload. Point 2, how to add a thumbnail. Point 3, how to publish, right? So if you have different points like that, then you can actually put in the description specific the timestamps for each of those, and Asana will create those timestamps for you. So for instance, I would come in here and say 00:00, and then I might say introduction, right? And then if I hit enter on my keyboard, I might say 00:, and let's say, actually we'll say 02, right? In minute 2, 30 seconds, we're going to say how, point 1 is going to be easy uploading, right? So I might say that, and I might do another one, says 04:42 thumbnails. And this is not real. I'm just doing this, but I'm just doing this as demonstration purposes. And let's say this is going to be 07:28, and this is going to be publishing. And then finally, we might say at point 10 and 12 seconds, we're going to say conclusion. So this right here, this method will create chapters for little navigation chapters so that people can navigate to the part of the video that they want to. All right, just another little tip. The other thing that we'll do here is add a thumbnail, right? We want to add a thumbnail so that right now this would look kind of ugly. It wouldn't look very, very friendly. If you go to my website, right, all of these are thumbnails. They look a lot nicer than if it were just kind of showing my mug there or some of the screenshots that I'm sharing. So we can create a thumbnail. And incidentally, I explain on my website how to create a thumbnail right here, how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. So I recommend that you look at that. I have this thumbnail that I made in Canva. It took me just actually about 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and right here, upload a file. I'm going to find that on my desktop right here, add YouTube video. There it is, how to add YouTube videos, how to add videos to YouTube, right? And now the other thing is, do I want to play it in a playlist? I don't have playlists right now, but if you have specific playlists that you want those videos to lay into, you can. Most of the time we're going to say they're not made for kids. It just shows YouTube whether or not this is specifically kid friendly. If it is made for kids, then you have to also make sure you follow some certain standards. Now that I've done all of this, I'm going to click next. Usually I just skip through some of these areas. This is a little more advanced things that we don't need to worry about for most videos until we get to visibility. The last thing we want to do is ask ourselves a question. Do we want the video to be private, unlisted, or public? Let's talk about each. Private, it means that literally the only people who will be able to find or see this video are people that you specifically sent an invite to. So you have to actually share it privately with them. You have to invite them. You can notify them via email. So it's very, very specific. Nobody's going to see it on your YouTube channel. Nobody will be able to search for it, etc. Unlisted opens the doors for you to be able to embed it onto your computer or onto your website. So if there's a particular page where you want to have a video, but you don't want the video perhaps to show up in your channel, you can go ahead and make it unlisted, and then we can create that link right there. Take this link, and then we can use it to embed into our blog post or somewhere else, or even in a YouTube. And then of course, if we set it to public, then that's going to mean that anyone can search it and find it and access it via your website. So because I'm actually doing this for demonstration purposes, I'll go ahead and select unlisted. Of course, if you're not ready to post it right away, you can go ahead and select a date or time to post it. In this case, I'm clicking unlisted. Usually the other thing that I will do is I'll actually copy and paste the video link right here just for my own sake, but I don't have to because I could always find it later. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And sometimes it might take a while for this to happen. In this particular case, it's already done the math, so it is ready to go. If I wanted to, I can copy that video link. My video is ready to roll. I'm finished. Okay, so that's all you need to know to for the basics of uploading a video to YouTube. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great, great day.